Now, Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Cameron Landfield.
Good morning, everybody. We're still dealing with some pesky fog over the basin. So I'm going to bring up our visibility to start things off one more time here, down to 3 miles of visibility for Roseburg. That's the most we've seen for today. Crestwell recovering as well at 8 miles of visibility. Everybody else is totally clear right now. Should see some high cloud coverage starting to step in over the next couple hours here, starting from the north and spreading down towards the south. So we're not going to see full sunshine for today, but there is still going to be a lot of sunshine in between those clouds, and it's a warmer day too. So things are going to be continuing to warm up a little bit nicer than yesterday. It's just a slightly more relaxed day altogether. I'll show you why that's the case in just a moment here, but let's actually look at it on the satellites first. And what we're seeing is the thing that's sort of changing today around. That's going to be a cold front just starting to step into the area. And what you can see here is the cloud coverage that's a result of this cold front. And that's going to be the same cloud coverage that starts to make its way into the valley over the next couple hours. It'll move over the coast as well, but the coast will be clearer just because of the topography of the valley. It tends to stick things down, and you can actually see a little bit of that's happening already right now. So I'm bringing up the high-level weather pattern here. This is going to be our model-based high-level weather pattern. So you're basically looking at the same thing that we just saw on the satellites, except this is going to be generated by a computer. And what we're seeing right there, that shape, is going to be our high pressure that we've been under for the last several days. Now that has been keeping it really dry and super cold in the mornings, but also it's been keeping any cloud coverage away. That's why it's been so blue every single day. And for today, that cold front is sort of flattening this bump we have here, which reduces its effects. Watch this. Pay attention right there. You'll see the cold front start to develop, makes this little kink right here, then it rides its way down and squashes that high pressure ridge. That squashing is what's allowing some of the cloud coverage that I just showed you on the satellites to start to step in for today. It's also allowing a little bit more overturning in the atmosphere, which also bumps those temperatures up a little bit. But as we move from today into tomorrow and then into the weekend, high pressure redevelops. So it's going to look like yesterday as we move into Saturday. Through the stormcast very quickly, exactly like I said, we'll just see clouds coming in from the north. And the 7-day forecast will show little changes for the coast. 55 today, in the low 50s by Saturday. There will be more frost out there. Umpqua Basin also looking frosty the next several days. 48 for today, getting into the low 40s after. Cascade Passes sunny all the way through. Chances for some snowfall tomorrow afternoon. Finally, looking at the Willamette Valley in those low to mid 40s the whole week ahead. Lots more frost to go.